We were unboxing the cheesesteak game. Let's open it. Whoa! Oh, this is the cheese. There are so many cheese. And this. Oh, it's the mouse. And this is the stickers. One more. Now we already have 2 mouse. And oh, right now we need to make the cheese. And thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe when I'm done. You can see in my Instagram that is Jose. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.